Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Mother's Day limited edition beauty box from Boots, and this is what it looks like. Really large beauty box. Now this is currently out of stock online, but you are able to search when you click on the website to find if there's any in stock in your local Boots. So you're able to type in your postcode and it'll come up and tell you where the nearest Mother's Day beauty box is available. So you can get it that way, but yeah, unfortunately it's sold out online. I just knew it would sell out. It contains 18 products, 8 of which are full size. It costs £45 and it has a huge value of £259.13, I think it is. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, as always you will find a link to this box as well as any discount codes and offers that I can find on Boots. Plus there is a few beauty boxes still available on the Boots website, so I'll pop a link to those as well. And you'll also see all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, so let's go on to then showing you what's inside. Typical, I opened it up upside down, all the worms are on top of everything. Hold on. No, makes no difference. There's your sneak peek. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. There's no information leaflet in the box, not that I can see anyway, so I'm just going to grab the first thing that I get my hands on. Starting off with the perfume. This is Lady Million by Paco Rabanne, and there's 5 mils here. This is a beautiful perfume. I've bought the full size numerous times. It is gorgeous and I really, really like this. Look. How cute is that? It's a little mini version. It's so cute, but a really nice handy size to pop in your handbag or like take on holiday or a weekend away or something. So that's my thinking anyway. So yes, we've got a perfume by Paco Rabanne. We've got Rain Clean Skincare. This is AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. Exfoliates and soothes, and there's 200 mils here. And this is full size. A moisturising body serum of AHAs that work with the skin to naturally exfoliate, leaving skin radiant with a natural glow. You gently massage all over the body onto clean skin until absorbed. And that's all it says about it. I have actually got one of these, but I've yet to use it. I received it in a beauty box. I can't remember which one. But yeah, I've yet to use it, so I can't tell you anything about it. Personal experience. So there's that. Next, we've got a product from Liz Earle. This is Superskin Microdermabrasion Polish. Advanced skin resurfacing for brighter, younger looking skin. Naturally active ingredients, volcanic pumice, fruit AHAs and shea butter. It's cruelty free and there is 75 mils there. This is something new for me. For salon results at home, our exfoliator effectively resurfaces skin and nourishes, instantly revealing a youthful looking complexion, combining fruit AHAs for deep exfoliation with ultra-fine pumice to buff away dead skin. Use it once a week after cleansing. Lightly massage a small amount onto damp skin and leave on for about 5 minutes, and then you rinse off with warm water. And it says it's suitable for all skin types. I love a duo of a shampoo and a conditioner. This is Arkive All Day Extra Shampoo, volumizing and clarifying, and volumizing and clarifying conditioner. They're both 60 mils there. Again, I've received these in a previous Boots beauty box, or it could even be the advent calendar, but I've yet to use them because they're such a handy size to take away with me on a weekend away or a night away. I put them in a box and I'll probably pop these in there as well. I've just got a big box. I did a video about a year or two ago showing you everything inside my takeaway box, and it filled the bed. I've had to go through it all, and I've had to get rid of a lot of things as well because there's no point keeping it all because it goes out of date. But I have used a lot. If I go away for a night or a holiday, or if any of my family do, then we get out this box. We take shampoos, conditioners, toothpastes, even miniature makeups of my favourites. So yeah, a lot of these products will go in that box actually, including the little Moringa cleansing balm by Emma Hardie. There's 15 mils there. This is gorgeous. It smells gorgeous. It's a really, really nice balm. You can sort of see the balm there. Yeah, really lovely. Nice little travel size. Got Philip Kingsley. This is the Elasticizer. It's a deep conditioning treatment, as elasticity and bounce, and there's 40 mils here. Received this numerous times over the last couple of years in different beauty boxes, and it's just not my favourite product from them, unfortunately. It just doesn't do that much to my hair. I don't notice much of a difference, but I do know a load of people really like it. It's a pre-shampoo treatment then for your hair. But yeah, so I'll pass that on. We got number 7. This is a mascara, Stay Perfect Ultra 24-hour voluminous lashes. And yeah, it says 87% agreed this mascara was life proof after 24-hour wear whilst giving buildable volume. And oh, it's in shade black brown. I don't think I've tried this one then. Let's see. Or have I? I don't know. Was it in the Boots advent calendar? If it was, then I don't think I like it on my lashes. See, that looks so nice. The colour looks nice. The wand looks nice as well. It looks like there's a lot of product on that brush. Stay Perfect Ultra. I do know there is a number 7 mascara that I just didn't like on my lashes, just didn't do anything. But I will give it a go because it could be completely different. We got a Dazzle stick by KVD, and this is a long wear eyeshadow in shade Hail Surge. See out of packaging. So I love eyeshadow sticks. This would be fab for like in a corner or creating a halo effect, you know, something like that. Yeah, look. Ooh, let's try it on my hand. Feels amazing. It feels, I've got a funny feeling I might already have this, but it feels like a gel and it's really cooling. That is so nice. It would have been so lovely if they did it in like a pencil form, just because you got more control of applying it around the eye area if it was smaller, but still it's fine. It just feels so nice. Really, really nice and creamy. Yeah, I love that. We've got an Elemis cream. This is a moisturiser, Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream, and there's 15 mils here. Elemis is just a gorgeous brand. It just really suits my skin. Never had any problems with it. Even though I don't like the smell of rose, it's fine. It's fine. It doesn't linger, especially when you put the rest of your makeup and skincare on top. So yeah, I will definitely be using that. We've got another product from number 7. It's a HydraLuminous Lip Balm. Okay. In shade Nude. Oh, I like that colour. It's barely there. So it's a lip balm with just a tiny flush of colour. Lip balm with a little bit of hint. That's just a nice thing to have, isn't it? Especially like in your handbag. She's got dry lips. What have we got here? We've got Rituals. This is Ritual of Sakura Renewing Body Scrub. It's sugar and cherry blossom, and there's 125 grams there. I absolutely adore the smell. It is beautiful. I've tried this before as well. I've had it in different beauty boxes and advent calendars, and maybe advent calendars, I can't remember. But oh look, this sort of scrub I tend to use before I do fake tanning. So I'll be saving this for, it's just so nice. It's so lovely. Yeah, it's one of my favourite scents in the Rituals range. So yeah, I always go off on one, don't I? I was going to say I'm going to save this for when I start wearing fake tan more often as we head more into spring. So there's that. Got Elemis, yeah. This is Translucent Pure Setting Spray, 16-hour Invisible Hydrating Setting Spray. There's 100 mils there. Yes, I've had this. I honestly can't tell. You're more likely to tell me if you watch my videos regularly. Oh yeah, Claire, you got that in such and such box. Maybe, I don't know. But I definitely got it in a beauty box over the last couple of months. I wear it often. I've got a huge selection of setting sprays and facial mists, and they're all gathered together. I must have loads. I must have about 15. Something like that. There is loads. I've got ones like this, which is just like a nice hydrating, setting, dewy sort of look to your face then. Similar, very similar to MAC Prep and Prime. And then I've got ones like the MAC Prep and Prime Gold Lit or the Iconic London, where they've got like a bit of shimmer in them. So I've got them. I've got the super holding ones like L'Oreal and Urban Decay. And I've got facial mists that contain antioxidants and like more skincare base. So yeah, so I've got my little selection, but they're all together. But yeah, I've already got this, so I'll put that away for when I run out with the other one. Next up, we've got Sol de Janeiro. This is Beija Flor Elasti Cream. Elasticity Boosting Body Cream. Helps maintain a youthful Brazilian bounce and deeply moisturises skin. And there is 25 mils in there. Now, I don't like this one. This is the one that smells of, you're not going to like me saying this, but it smells, to me, we're all different, aren't we? It reminds me of farms. Let me have another sniff. Yeah, what the heck is it? Because There's a Perfume by Flora Street that reminds me of farms. What is it in the scent that just brings me to farms? I say this all the time. I live in a rural part of Wales. I've got friends that are farmers, loads of farms around me, nothing against it, but it's not the sort of smell I would want to be smelling of, you know? It's a nice farm smell. But what is it? I'd love to know. I'm not going to try that out. But I do like Sol de Janeiro. We get it a lot in beauty boxes. We're passing that on. Then we've got a little It Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cream for all skin types. It's an anti-aging, armour, rejuvenating concentrate, transforming moisturiser. And there is 7 mils there. I have tried this and it is a nice cream. That's a nice little pot to take away if I fancy having that moisturiser on holiday with me. Yeah, it's nice. And I prefer this. I prefer this one. This is Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream 24-hour daily lightweight hydration formula with 4.5% squalene and glacial glycoprotein. And there's also 7 mils here. Yeah, this one is just nicer. I prefer this one. I've got a big pot of this. This one is okay, but it takes a bit longer to settle into my skin then. This one is really nice. It's very lightweight, but my skin feels amazing. So yeah, they're both nice moisturisers essentially, but I just prefer the Kiehls. Then we've got something for you here. This is a Bumble Bond Building Repair Styling Cream, and there's 15 mils there. Builds new bonds to strengthen hair and helps repair damage with Honey Bond Building Complex. That's that. And then lastly, we got a full size number 7. This is Flawless Finishing Loose Powder. And there we go. Let's show you the colour. So hopefully you can see there. So yeah, full size loose powder. And there you go. Those are all the products in the Boots Mother's Day Beauty Edit. It costs £45. Is worth £259.13, I think. And it contains 18 products, 8 of which are full size. I'm really glad I went for it. I was not umming and ahhing as such because I wanted to buy it so I could share it with you lot. Unfortunately, it's sold out online, but it's still available in many Boots stores. When I looked at the products online, I thought, oh yeah, you know, this box is huge. There's loads of products in there. Would I get it if I wasn't on YouTube? Which is such a hard question to answer. Because I've been doing YouTube now for a couple of years, so it's hard to like take myself away from that. But yeah, I think I would definitely get it. Looking at all the products here, we got perfumes, we got some really gorgeous makeups and skincare. There's a lot of little travel minis and samples and things, but then we do have some nice good full-size products in there, which is obviously the ones that bump up the value. But yeah, I think for £45 I do think this box is really great. There's a bit of everything in there, you know. But as always, I want to pass it on to you. You've got to tell me what you think, whether you went for it or you're watching this and thinking, nah, it's not for me. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.